See, a quadratic equation is a second order polynomial equation in a single variable x,
Okay.
whose general form is ax square bx plus c, where a can never be equal to 0. Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
A is any constant other than 0, and b and c are constant. Constant means real number.
Okay.
Any real number. It may be integer, negative number, positive number, natural number, anything. Okay, but a can never be
Yes.
0. If a becomes 0, then it is not quadratic. It becomes a linear equation. Right?
Mm.
Yes. Okay, where and x is what? X is the solution of quadratic equation, right?
Yeah.
In this lecture, you will learn how to find the value of x. Okay, you can find the value of x using two methods. One is factorization method, and second is direct formula. Okay,
Okay.
so the solution of quadratic equation are given by the formula. First, we will learn how to find using formula. So this is direct formula, minus b plus or minus. So since this is quadratic, quadratic means a polynomial of degree 2. That's why this equation must have two roots, right?
Yes.
If it is cubic, then you will get three roots, right?
Yes.
You know the number of the degree of polynomial has, let's suppose the degree of polynomial is n, then its solution will contain n solution, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is what b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay,
Okay.
so this is the general formula, and where b square minus 4ac is called d. D is what?
Mm-hmm.
Discriminant. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. There are some condition over discriminant. If the value of d is greater than 0, then you can say we will have two distinct roots. Two distinct real roots. Okay. If the value of d is less than 0, you will get two imaginary roots. And if d is equal to 0, then you will get repeated roots. Right?
Okay.
Sometimes imaginary root is called complex root. Have you learned ever what is complex root?
No.
Complex number you don't know?
No.
Okay, I tell you. See, so for getting real root, you must have d is greater than 0 or d is equal to 2. For example, if I ask you what is the solution of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here in this question, you can see that a is equal to, when you compare with general equation, you will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6, isn't?
Yes.
Yes. Now put all these value of a, b, c in formula. Okay.
Okay.
So you can write minus b minus b square minus 4 into a into c
Okay.
over 2a, right? So
Yeah.
minus minus plus 25 minus 24 over 2. 25 minus 24 is what? 1. So you can see you have two sign. One is plus sign and one is minus sign, right?
Yes.
When you choose plus sign, you will get 6 over 2, that is 3.
Yes.
And 5 minus 1, 4 over 2, that is 2. So you will have two solution of this, right? One solution is what? X is equal to 3 or 2. This is your answer. If you want to verify your answer is correct or not, then put the value of x is equal to 3.
Sorry, my internet disconnected for a second.
Okay. So when you take plus sign, you will get what? 3. And when you take negative sign, you will get 2. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose you want to check that whether my solution is correct or not, then what will you do? Put the value of x is equal to 3 in original equation. You will get 0. Again, when you put the value of x is equal to 2, you will get 0. Okay. If 0 is not coming there, it means that your solution is wrong. Right?
Okay.
Yes. Solve 2x square plus 4x plus 2. Okay. What is a here?
It's 2x squared.
2 only.
Oh, 2, yeah.
B is 4. Always take coefficient only. C is 2. First we find D. D is what? B square minus 4AC. B square means 4 square minus 4 into A into C, right? You are getting 0, right? D is 0. If D is 0, then you will get repeated root, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you will find x is equal to minus b. You can also write this formula minus b plus minus d, right? Minus b plus minus root d. Why d root d? Because this is the value of d. Okay. So minus b is what? Minus 4. This is 0 upon 2 into 2. Minus 4 over 4. Minus 4 over 4 is what? Minus 1. So your answer will be minus 1. Let's suppose you have what? X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So ax square bx plus c is equal to 0. What will you do? First step is multiply a with x. Okay. Always multiply a with x. Okay. Let's suppose this is d. Right. Second step is factorize d. Okay. Let's suppose its factor is d1, d2, d3 and so on. Okay. Okay. Now arrange d1. Arrange the factor of d. D such that on adding or subtracting you get b. Okay. So we have to arrange the factor of d such that we get the value of b. But what operation we will use? Only addition or subtraction. Right? For example, we see here. Here A is 1.
Okay.
A is 1, B is -5, and C is 6.
6.
Right. Okay. So what will you do? First multiply A into C, which is equal to 6. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Second step is factorize. Let's suppose this is D. So find the factor of 6. Right. So
Okay.
factor of 6 means what? 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Okay. Even you can also write 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now we have, let's suppose this is D1, D2, D3. So with the help of D1, D2, D3, we will find B. B is what? -5. So can you write -5 is equal to -2 into, sorry, 2 plus 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
So on multiplying you are getting 6, on adding you are getting 5, right? Because on adding or subtracting you will get B. What will you add? Factors. So factor is what? 2 or 3, right? Now you can write here. Now this equation becomes what? X square. In the place of 5 you will write 2 plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When you open the bracket you will get -2x minus 3x. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So first two term is taken together and last two term is taken together. In first two term you can see what? What is common? X is common, and last two term will contain -3 common.
Mm-hmm.
And in both term you are getting x minus 2 common, right?
Yeah.
So you will get x minus 3. You can say x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. This is your answer.
Can't you do the other method?
Other method formula.
Yeah, that's so much simpler.
Okay, no problem. You can also write this for future purpose. Now I will tell you how to plot the graph of quadratic polynomial. Okay. So first write. So before plotting the graph, you must see. Suppose you plot the graph of this. Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, you make it a perfect square. How will you make it a perfect square? This is what? A square minus 2ab, right?
Hmm.
If you add 1, you will get what? A minus b whole square.
Yes.
But you cannot add 1 from yourself. If you are adding 1, then you will have to subtract -1 also, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now this equation becomes what? +2. Understood?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Now first I will plot graph of x square. So graph of x square is what? Right?
Yeah.
This is graph of x square. Now we will plot graph of x minus 1 square. So x is shifted with 1 unit right side. Understood?
Hmm.
Yes, this is x minus 1 whole square. Then if plus 2 is adding, then graph will shift it 2 unit upside. Understood?
Hmm.
So this will be what? 1 comma 2. And red color graph is called final graph. Right?
Hmm.
That's why I dark this. I Now you understood?
Hmm.
This is
Yeah.
okay. So this is the method. This is the rule. What is the rule? Add in third position. What is third position? This is first position. This is second position. This is third position. So in third position, what you added? 1. Right?
Hmm.
Whatever you are adding in third position, you will subtract same thing in last term. And
Hmm.
what will you add? B. B is what? Minus 2 upon 2a. A is 1. So minus 2 by 2 is what? Minus 1 whole square. So you are adding 1. That's why, right?
Hmm.
So this is the rule. Write the rule. So what will you add? B over 2a whole square.
Okay.
For example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Suppose you want to plot the graph of this. What will you do? Here b is a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 6. So what
Hmm.
will you add in third position? Minus b upon 2a, right?
Hmm.
Whole square. You will get 25 by 4.
Hmm.
So in third position, you will put 25 by 4, right? And in the
Hmm.
last position, you will subtract same thing. Understood?
Hmm.
After this, you can see this first three terms is a whole square of x minus 5 by 2 whole square. It is always, okay?
Hmm.
And last second term, two term, 24 minus 25 is what? Minus 1 over 4. Understood?
Hmm.
So your equation becomes this. And how will you plot this? First you will plot x square,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Then you will plot x minus 5 by 2. X minus 5 by 2, graph is shifted 5 by 2 unit right side.
Hmm.
Then minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is x will shift minus 1 by 4 downside, right?
Hmm.
So this is your graph. Suppose you want to plot the graph of this. Okay?
Hmm.
This is a quadratic question. Why? Because whenever two x are there, you will get always quadratic.
Hmm.
Okay. And how will you plot the graph? First, open the bracket. X is when you open the bracket, x into x becomes x square, right?
Hmm.
X into minus 2x is minus 2x, right?
Yeah.
Then minus 1 is multiplied with x is minus x, and minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2, right?
Hmm.
On simplifying, you will get minus 3x.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, what will you add? You will add minus 3 upon 2, 1 whole square. which is equal
Okay.
to 9 by 4. And where you will add in third term,
Okay.
right? So whatever you add in third position, you will have to subtract also with same thing, right?
Okay.
So what will you do? You will see first three terms are whole square of minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You will always you will get x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay? And when you simplify this, 2 into 4 is 8 minus 9 over 4.
Okay.
So here you will get 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4.
Okay.
Now you plot this, you can plot this, right?
Yeah.
So I draw final graph. So first you will draw x square, then x square x minus 3 whole square, then this will be your graph, right?
Yeah.
Yes, 3 by 2 comma 1 by 4. Since there are two intersection point on x-axis, right? So you will get two root. One root is 1 and second root is 2. Okay?